Welcome you all for the online session on corporate accounting subject of third semester BCom, Bengaluru City University. The title of the chapter is Valuation of Goodwill and Shares, and in the previous sessions we have discussed the methods of valuation of goodwill under average profits method, that is simple average profit and weighted average profits method. In this session, let us discuss about the methods of valuation of goodwill under capitalization method. The capitalization method is again subdivided into two types, capitalization of average profits and capitalization of super profits. The capitalization of average profits. The following steps are followed for the calculation of valuation of goodwill. The first step is calculation of adjusted average profits. The adjusted average profits of the business can be found out in the same manner as in the case of average profits method. ನಾವು ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. In the next step, you have to calculate the total value of the business. The total value of the business can be found out with the help of the following formula, that is adjusted average profits divided by normal rate of return multiplied by 100. In step 3, we have to calculate the value of goodwill. That is, by using the formula total value of the business minus capital employed, that is assets minus liabilities. And under capitalization of super profits, the value of goodwill can be ascertained by using the formula super profits divided by normal rate of return multiplied by 100. Now let's move on to an illustration. The net profits of the company for the past 5 years are 15-16, 40,000, 16-17, 45,000, 17-18, 47,000, 18-19, 40,000, 19-20, 48,000. The capital employed in the business is rupees 4 lakhs, on which a reasonable rate of return of 10% is expected. Calculate the goodwill of the company under the capitalization of the average profits method. Now let's move on to the solution part. In the first step, we have to calculate the average profits, and the formula is total profits divided by total number of years. So profits last 5 years ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 40,000 plus 45,000 plus 47,000 plus 40,000 plus 48,000. So total 2,20,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, divided by 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ divided by 5 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So we'll get the average profits as rupees 44,000. In the second step, we have to calculate the total value of business, and the formula is average profits divided by normal rate of return multiplied by 100. Average profits 44,000 divided by 10 multiplied by 100, that is 4,40,000. And in the last step, we have to calculate the value of goodwill by using the formula total value of the business minus capital employed. Total value 4,40,000 minus capital employed 4 lakhs, therefore the value of goodwill is rupees 40,000. Now let's move on to another illustration. The net profits of a business after providing for taxation for the past 5 years are rupees 80,000, rupees 92,000, rupees 85,000, rupees 1,05,000 and rupees 1,18,000. The capital employed in the business is rupees 8 lakhs. The normal rate of return expected in this type of business is 10%. It is expected that the company will be able to maintain its super profits for the next 5 years. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of A. 5 years purchase of super profits method, and B. capitalization of super profits method. Now let's move on to the solution part. In the first step, we have to calculate the average profits by using the formula total profits divided by total number of years. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 80,000, 92,000, 85,000, 1,05,000, 1,18,000. ಅದನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 4,80,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5, 96,000 is the average profits. In the next step, we have to calculate the normal profits by applying the formula capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return. Capital employed is already given in the problem as rupees 8 lakhs, and the normal rate of return is also given as 10%. Therefore, the normal profits are rupees 80,000. When capital employed is directly given, there is no need to find out the average capital employed. In the next step, we have to calculate the super profits by using the formula average profits minus normal profits. Average profits step 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 96,000. Normal profits step 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ 80,000. 96,000 minus 80,000, 16,000 is the value of super profits. Then in the last step, we have to calculate the value of goodwill first under 5 years purchase of super profits. And the formula for the calculation of value of goodwill is super profits multiplied by number of years purchase. That is 16,000 multiplied by 5 equals 80,000. Under capitalization of super profits, for the calculation of value of goodwill, the formula is super profits divided by normal rate of return multiplied by 100. Super profits are 16,000 divided by normal rate of return 10% multiplied by 100. The value of goodwill is 1,60,000. Thank you, students.